Now we have the exercise number 9. I think this is the easiest one of all the unit. So then we import file, IO exception, and random access file classes necessary for file operations. And the three are from java.io. Then we we declare the main class here that is escribir fetch aleatorio. Then this class has a main method. The main method is the entry point of the program. It may throw an IO exception, and if file operation fails, then we create a file object fichero that represent the file aleatorioemple.dat. Then we create a random access file object called file that is created in read-write mode. These are the permissions of this file. Then we create a three arrays with all the data, apellido that holds last names, dep that holds department numbers, and salario that holds salaries. Then we make here a buffer declaration that string buffer name buffer is declared to manage the last number names during writing. We will see this then. Then we have a for loop for writing data. The loop iterates through the length of the apellido array. Here, man, yes, easy for all the family. Then then we for each iteration the current index starting from 1 is written as an integer using file.writeInt. A string buffer is initialized with the last name and its length is set to 10. Oh my god, 10 characters. The last name is written as characters to the file using file.writeChars. The corresponding department number and salary are written using file.writeIn and file.writeDouble. Then here is the file closer. After all data is written, the file is closed using file.close. Then here we are going to read the data. Oh my god. An instance of layer fetch aleatorio is created, passing 4 as an argument to read the data of the employee at that position. The resulting object is printed here. So now we are going to the layer fetch aleatorio class that is the to read from the file. Just the class is defined to handle reading from the random access file, and we create three private attributes that are apellido, dep, and salario, and are declared to hold the read data. Then we have a constructor that inside the constructor we have a random access file object that is created in the mode R, the mode read, only for reading. We cannot modify this file. Then the byte position to seek is calculated based on the record's index. The calculation considers each integer takes up integer dot bytes, this number of bytes. Then where last name takes like 10 characters, and here we calculate the bytes in size. Then another integer and another double. We go with the dot seek to the position of the of bytes in the file, and then we start to read that data. Here we are going to read the employee ID that is with fichero dot read int. Then we create a string builder that is created to read the last name character by character, 10 characters total, and the last name is trimmed and stored in the apellido attribute. Then the department and salary are read using fichero.readInt and fichero.readDouble, and then we have the file closer, and within a try catch block to handle potential IO exceptions. Here we have the catch. This is all the try block, and last but not least, we have the toString method. The toString method is overridden to provide a string representation of the layer feature aleatory object, displaying the last name, department, and salary. Here is all, and bye bye.